Hi guys, welcome back to CallyJ's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my authentic Jamaican banana porridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, all of my recipes are in the description box. Go ahead and try them out and let me know what you think. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my authentic Jamaican banana porridge. Here I have 6 green bananas, cinnamon powder, vanilla flavoring, evaporated milk, mixed spice, condensed milk, and please note that this condensed milk contains cinnamon, vanilla and nutmeg. Sugar, brown sugar. I also have 2 cups of water to blend my banana. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel my bananas. I'm just gonna remove the skin from the bananas. And guys, this porridge is great for breakfast. You can have it with crackers, you can have it with bread, whatever you like. You can have it with your banana porridge. So now that I'm finished peeling my bananas, and that's what it looks like after I finish peeling, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my bananas in 3 halves, because you don't want to blend it like that. It might destroy your blender. And guys, you could also grate your bananas, but it will take some time, so blending is ideal for me. Now that I'm finished slicing up my bananas, it's time to go ahead and blend. So I'm just adding the bananas to the blender. And then I'm gonna add the water. I'm gonna blend this for 5 to 6 minutes until it's smooth. So now guys, I'm finished blending my bananas. It's time to add 1 cup of water to the pot that I'm gonna boil my porridge in. I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon of mixed spice. Guys, I love my spices. I love to taste the spice in my porridge. I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and I'm gonna leave this to boil for a minute. And guys, that's what it looks like while boiling. So now it's time to add my bananas, my blended bananas. And guys, you don't want to mix this too much, but you have to mix it while it's on the fire because you don't want it to have lumps. So I'm just mixing the blended bananas with the spices. And guys, this is what it looks like while on the fire. So I'm just gonna leave this to cook for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna sweeten. So now guys, it's time to sweeten my porridge. So I'm just adding the vanilla. I'm also gonna add a half cup of evaporated milk. I love my porridge also creamy. I'm gonna add the brown sugar now. And the condensed milk. And that's what it looks like guys after I finish sweetening my porridge. And there you have it guys, my authentic Jamaican banana porridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.